This is a global emergency broadcast. This is not a test. Remain calm and listen carefully. Without warning, large numbers of people have disappeared worldwide. No explosion. No trace. Their belongings remain in place. Entire families gone. Infants missing from cribs. Pilots and drivers have vanished mid-journey. Transportation, communication, and government services are collapsing. Panic spreads as leaders fail to provide answers. This event was foretold in the final book of the Holy Bible, the revelation of Jesus Christ. Prophecy speaks of one who will rise from among the nations. A ruler who will promise peace. He will perform signs. He will demand loyalty. Do not believe him. He is not salvation. Judgment is coming. The seals will open. The trumpets will sound. The world will descend into tribulation as foretold. There will be no refuge except in the Lord. This is the final warning. Seek the Lord while he may be found. For the hour has come. And the time is short.